Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode, and before this video begins, I'd like to say I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded any videos for the past 2 weeks. I've been flat out with work, come home, trying to work on the car, can never get it fucking started. Complete bullshit, the shit that I've been going through with this car, like one thing after the other. And then I go for a test drive, everything went perfect. I come home, the engine like stalls out, can't get started, thought the battery's fucked, got it recharged. Did all these other maintenance stuff thinking that was a problem, but found out that my fuel pump relay, that wire that feeds the fuel pump, is actually gone. Like, it ain't lighting up, and I'll show you guys right now. Alright, as you can see, we've got some power there. That fucking light lights up. That's the ground wire, so that's not meant to light up. And that lights up. Now the fuel pump wire that feeds the fuel pump, that power does not work whatsoever. Look at that. Ain't no fucking light there. But if you come over here, we've got some light power there, got some power there. But this blue wire that it looks exactly the same as this fucking fuel pump power wire, I'm not sure if that's part of it, but that ain't working either. Like, no lights are coming on, so that means that I'm gonna have to replace the fuel pump wire, which fucking sucks because I hate doing wires, it ain't my thing. So I'm gonna have to get that all replaced. I don't know if the relay circuit's fucked. I'm gonna have to take the car to an auto electrician. As much as I hate someone else to work on this car, I'm gonna have to because I hate doing wiring, it ain't my thing. So hopefully they can get it all sorted so I can get this car fixed, put the new 1000 Bosch CC injectors in, put the haltech ECU in, and get this car finally tuned. I'll show you guys what I've done to the fuel pump. I put a clamp around the cradle so that way the fuel pump doesn't like slide off the cradle because it doesn't fit flush in there. And I also put on E85 suitable heat shrink around the wires for the fuel pump relay inside the tank. It's funny, every electrician place I called said, oh, we don't have anything like that. But it took a YouTube subscriber to tell me, hey, get this part. So thank you very much for you guys helping us out. And the hose that connects from the fuel pump to the cradle, I've replaced that as well. So I'll show you guys what I've done. It's a Raceworks fuel line, so it's E85 suitable. And alright, all that being said, it's just been a nightmare trying to get this thing to run because I need my car done. Like, I need to get around. Like, I miss driving, I miss hitting boost, I miss drifting, I miss going fast, I miss the hills. And it sucks. Like, I want to keep uploading videos, but I don't want to keep uploading downer videos or fail videos because
these wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real.
Right now everything's just fucking gone downhill, all because of that stupid wire. So yeah, hopefully the auto electrician gets it all done and then we can get back to having fun in this car again. And hopefully we can go to the hills and race Josh's R33 GTR, make like a bunch of fun videos together and finally do what we love doing. There really isn't that much to add to this video, it's just an update I guess because I haven't got the car running, but I will show you guys my Bosch 1000cc injectors, the fuel rail, so everything I'm going to be doing to this car once it gets running. So in this Grammy baggie, you can see my 1000cc Bosch injector. Yes, it is real. I've got 6 of them, there's no point showing you the other 5. Alright, so this is my top feed rail. I just whacked myself in the head there. So it's a Raceworks, so I'll be putting my 1000cc Bosch injectors into that, mount it into my R33 and fucking more fuel, more power. So this is my fuel pressure gauge, as you can see right here. So I'll be connecting that with my fuel pressure regulator so we know how much we're fucking running. Right here we've got my Turbo Smart fuel pressure regulator. So there's that as well. And right here we've got my haltech ECU. So once everything's all sorted in my car, I'm going to be plugging this up. It's a plug and play, so you don't have to cut any wires or anything, which saves you a lot of time. And if you don't like wires like me, this is just perfect for you. Just plug it in and connect it to your laptop and bam, you can fucking do some diagnostic shit. So sorry guys that I haven't been really uploading again. Like, it's just been a nightmare with this build, and I promise you this, once this thing gets all running, I'm going to keep uploading as many videos as I can, trust me. And I'd like to thank all of you guys supporting this channel, all the comments that you're leaving, the likes. It just keeps us motivated. When this 33 gets running, trust me, we're going to have a lot of fun together. We're going to film so much in this thing. And I hope they can sort out that fucking fuel pump relay wire. Like, hopefully it wasn't much of a big damage in the circuits and all that. So hopefully they can replace it. Because seriously, I don't know. Wires are like spaghetti to me. Like, I'm digging through spaghetti trying to find that wire, and I hate doing that shit. It's not my thing. So hopefully they can do it. Call me up, be like, hey, we got your car running. I'll be like, yes. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the update video, and I promise things will get fucking better with this channel. More videos to come, more sick shit, more drifts, more burnouts, more limiter bashing. Trust me on this. So thank you again for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.